So today we're going to be making some fried rice. I have I'm going to say 2 cups of brown rice. You can use any kind of rice you want. That's all I had in my counter, so that's what I'm using. I boiled that, let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. And then I have some shrimp here that's been thawed out, some diced up carrots, some diced up onions, some corn, and then some yellow peppers. Because they're so much fun and way easier. So yeah, I'm gonna let this warm up, get some vegetable oil and put some in there, and I'm gonna cook my egg. I'm gonna cook 2 eggs scrambled. Turn on some lights here. So you hear it sizzling. You're gonna make sure the grease is touching everywhere. We don't want nothing to be stuck. I'm gonna get my 2 eggs. Like I was saying before my camera died, I have 2 eggs in here. Season them with pepper and salt. Vegetables you like. Okay, we're going to cook this for a little bit. I'm going to add some garlic powder. Since I don't have raw garlic, I like using raw garlic, but some more pepper. Tire this heat up. So I like to keep hearing the sizzling. I'm going to let this cook until it's like a little brown, and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of soy sauce. I forgot to mention, if you have a wok, that's way better. I just didn't feel like getting mine out. Hopefully it doesn't overspill. I added my egg in. Uh-oh. Okay, freaking corn is trying to run away. Get back in there. Let's add our soy sauce. That's what's going to give us that brown looking color. Let's add our cold sticky rice in. And this is the good part. It comes together so nicely. Oh, this looks so yummy. Now, you don't have to add the shrimp like I did. You can just do the vegetables and the egg. But since I wanted shrimp fried rice, I added some shrimpies. This looks amazing, guys. That's basically it. Here it is. Looks super good. You can also get some green onion and sprinkle it on the top for looks and for taste, but I don't have any of those right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next.